What's up, super students? Mr. Klausner here. We're gonna get started. Let me erase that. So this is week 29. Here we go. Here we go. It is March 8th through March 12th. You can see the quote of the week. It's an A schedule. I'll take attendance. Week 29. I can't even believe it. We just finished quarter 3. We'll be going into quarter 4, first day today. Just some reminders for what really is important in our math class. Be respectful, responsible, have faith, connect to others, be kind, follow the golden rule, all that good stuff. So here's our work that you guys are going to be required to do this week. Lots to do this week. Star Wars, Luke homework this week, a reflection activity in class, and then we'll do Freckle also in class today on the Monday, and then probability work also in class, and then I'll give you time during centers on Tuesday, Wednesday to start your budget analysis and country profile. If you don't know what that is, go back and check those directions. Okay, synchronous work. So after the spring break, we'll go to 2 times a week, but this week we'll start again at Wednesday at 12:25. So that's the time where I can meet with everybody. We had about 5 or 6 students on that one last week. So it'd be great to get all 20 of you online on that one. So it's an A schedule. We're going to find simple probability and solve simple probability questions. Here's our do now. So -5 plus -10, draw a picture of a slice of bread. And then what do you like about your name, which is always a good question. So our agenda today, you can see, and I'm going through this quick because I want to keep these videos short. Enter, do now, homework, review. We didn't have homework last week, so 10 minutes. I'm going to pass out the homework. We're going to review some questions in class, and then we'll do this simple probability lesson, 5 minutes on the worksheet, 15 minutes in Freckle, and then clean up. So here's about simple probability. Probability is essentially what are the chances of something happening. So you can see on the left side their theoretical probability of if I have a coin, heads or tails. The probability that I get heads is 1 out of 2. That's how it is. That's why you know there's all those things online when they're doing the Super Bowl flip, right? So the probability though is 1 out of 2. Now, the probability I get, if let's say I have a 6-sided die, right, on this left side here, let's say I have 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it says, what is the probability I get something either greater than or equal to 3? So I need to think to myself, well, how many total outcomes are there? Well, there could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So the total outcomes is 6. So we put that in the denominator, we put that in the bottom. And then I think to myself, how many chances that I get one of those numbers that's either 3, 4, 5, or 6. You can see he boxed those there. And that'd be 4 of those numbers. So 4 out of 6, that goes into the numerator. The chances of what you want happening. And then we can reduce that to 2 over 3. So let's look at this question here. You roll a 6-sided die. What is the probability that you get an even number? Okay, so this is really important. So you can see the P stands for probability, and then what's in the quotes is what you're looking for. So the probability of an even number. Well, I could get 2, I could get 4, and I could get 6. So that's 3 of those numbers out of the possibility of 6 numbers. So 3 over 6, well, that one would be 1 over 2, 1/2. 3, 6 reduces to 1/2. So here's a good question. You draw a card at random from a deck that contains 3 black cards and 7 red cards. What is the probability you draw a black card? Okay, so I need to think, how many total cards do I have again? Okay, well, let's say I have 3 plus 7, that's 10. So the bottom number of the denominator is 10. I always like to work in probability, I like to work total, and then I try to think, how many black cards are there that I could pull? And that is going to be 3. So I do 3 over 10, and that would be 3/10. And that's what we're doing this week. So here is the work in class. For those of you online, please take a look at all these questions. It's not a ton of work, but it should take about 5, 10, 15 minutes maybe. So go ahead and respond to those there. And the right one is about a die, and then the other one is a day of the week. After that, we'll do Freckle. We'll stretch, clean up, and dismiss. All right, guys, take it easy. I miss y'all. I hope to see you online on Wednesday, and have a great week, and welcome to quarter 4.